TL, how's this all coming along?
It's coming along just fine. Whose truck is this?
This is DILLIGAF Automotive Sierra. It's a 2024.
The dealer GAF really don't give a f. I like that, man. I like how you came up with that, man. And that's what you're gonna do when you start making all this money. You ain't gonna give a f.
Nope.
Dollar after dollar, man. This truck gonna make you so much money. So when you come by and buy like 2 or 3 more, and your squad start getting big, y'all lifting up billions and millions of dollars with these things. I can't wait to see y'all making money. Nothing better than a happy customer, man. Nothing.
Nicholas, thanks for coming. I really appreciate you. One of the things that I remember the most about when you had called is that you had started with the Lil Herc and it was a 1.0 and you was working for somebody, thoroughly impressed with the unit, and at this point, now that you got your own truck, you said, yo, this is what I'm gonna get. And I just kind of want to share with the audience why. Why is it that you were impressed with it the first time? And because there's a lot of differences between the 1.0 and the 2.0. So I really want to convey to everybody why choose Detroit Wrecker over anything else.
All right, so when I started off as a worker and I had that truck with that little Herc, I used to tow everything, anything and everything. I didn't leave nothing behind. Little box trucks, bread trucks, you name it. We was grabbing it and it was going. So when I said when I'm gonna do my truck, I know who's gonna do my truck. I'm taking it over there. So when I first did my company, I bought a secondhand 1.0, and the guy who did it for me in the Bronx, it was like 2 weeks there. In the matter of 2 weeks, there was 5 broken main tube, middle tube, the pins, you name it.
And so you've seen firsthand the carnage that's out there when you don't purchase a quality unit. And I'm just curious, is that first truck that you ever touched the first time, is it still out there right now? I mean, did it get passed along?
It's still out there.
See?
It's still out there. And I got probably 8-9 years in now. And who knows how long the truck was done before.
And the first one is still operative, so it's still making somebody some money.
And then I don't know how long the one I have on my other truck been out. It's a 1.0 also. I'm pretty sure it's got, you know, like, I'm not gonna lie, they can't beat the craftsmanship. You can either do it right the first time and keep making money, or you can go the cheap route, have to deal with breaking down, week down, 2 weeks down.
Which
Those should be your best 2 weeks.
Right, right. It sucks building up that momentum to say, hey, I'm down, pass it to somebody else.
Yeah, nah, I'm not gonna lie, you guys got it. When it comes to the wheel lift, ain't nobody got it with you.
I really appreciate that, and it means a lot to me, and I was so, excited when you had called and you were explaining this to me. So now that we're here and it's done, it really, again, fills my heart to know that you're going to go back to New York, kill the game.
Oh, for sure. A lot of people's going to be upset when I go back. You know how many people got 10, 20 years in the game and they always wanted to come here and they never got the chance to make it here? So I'm happy with, in the little time, because I did on and off. I did 2 years towing, 2 years off, year towing, 3 years off. So in the little bit of time that I actually got working, I'm happy I got it to this far.
Sure.
A lot of people's gonna be upset when I get back home. You going back to the Bronx with some heat, yeah?
Well, I can't wait for you to make some money with it. The only thing I want you to do is just be safe with it, and make a ton of money, and maintenance it, take care of it. Yeah, I like to tell people that, equipment's just like a house. You ignore it, it falls apart. And I really do believe that it's the minimal amount of maintenance that is needed to get longevity out of it. So, again, I can't thank you enough for being a part of the, a happy Detroit record customer.
Listen, man, that crane that I had outshine in the flood not too long ago, we got people there with 6 trucks broke down. I'm 2 hours straight. I did like 100 cars. Not a breaker trip.
That was
nothing.
A flash flood happened?
It was probably about like 2 months ago.
Okay.
Everybody's trucks broke down. And I'm like this.
Yeah. Killing it.
And everybody's like, oh, but why you got clutch? Why you got electric pump? Electric pump. Oh, you see what the clutch pump does?
Right.
Like clutch pump gives me the most I'm gonna go through is a solenoid or something like that. And I know how to bypass it. You guys got it. You guys build these equipment top notch. Like those who don't know is because they haven't got here, they haven't worked with one. But shit, I'm happy, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, I knew. I already had my mommy though. It was, you didn't have to sell it to me. I knew what I wanted.
And again, that means a lot to us, So to everybody that works here, and the guys in the shop, fabricators, wiring guys, assembly, engineer, office manager, the wife who's my boss, we are very thankful for you, and again, wish you much success.
I'm coming back for more. I need at least one of each. I need a low loader, and then I need that Gladiator.
Yes, I agree with that. Have you driven in the truck yet? I'm really excited for you to see how much better this truck drives around the block. If you got time, can we go around the block just so I can get you to see?
Let's go.
Let's go.
Wow, that unit looks so pretty in that camera.
Look how tight it is to the bumper too. You see the other ones are way out there. Go left real quick. So look for, see them, hit them bitches, hit them bitches. Yep. Wow. Hit it. There's more. This one is not, yeah, there you go, hit it. Straight ahead, hit that way. I mean, that is a big old.
Where I'm going?
Left. And then this road too is just nothing but bumps. So feel how soft it is. Normally, if you can see the bump, you can feel it. Can you feel those?
Oh, it feels amazing.
So my simple question is, does it ride better than when you brought it to us?
For sure.
And that's honestly the engineering of this custom helper springs and the Fox shocks. All that in combination together just translates to a really soft ride.
Yeah, it feels amazing.
Doesn't it? Seriously, I mean, it's always a pleasure to see how people, sometimes are surprised by it. And again, I know in my heart that it's going to enable you to make more money because you're willing to stay in the truck longer.
And you got to go through them back aches, and when it's a stiff ride or whatever, feels very good.
That was a big old bump. Normally,
that would have been all over.
The SM would have hopped. I feel like shoot, a damn near come off the ground on something like that.
Let's go for the conversion.
There you go. Okay.
Wow,
look at you, a pro. Already. Yeah, how fast? It is fast. Look at the distance and the reach.
All the way up.
All the way up.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Definitely. Some good craftsmanship, man. Whoever says otherwise is a liar or they just broke.
No, for real.
Yo, I'm so happy, man. You don't even understand.
I'm happy,
Happy
brother.
because I got my own and happy because I finally made it here.
Started from the bottom, now we're here.
You
I
deserve
remember
it,
when I
dude.
first got into the game, the numbers was a lot different, but yo, bro, you can't beat the quality, you know what I'm saying?
Again, thank you so much for your business, and please continue to kill the game out there.
Oh, I will. trust me, I'm gonna go back there. I'm coming back for a low load. I definitely need one of those.
And we are honored. Let me tell you.